Welcome back to RazFamArt. Today we're going to draw a cute dog. To begin, you'll need something to draw with. Let's get started. To start, we're going to go from the middle of the page and make a J shape. This is going to be the side and the bottom of the body. Making that J shape right there. Now, the body is going to go from the other side like that, but first we're going to start from left to right. So next we're going to make a U shape. That's going to be the dog's leg. And then we're going to make a little curved line for the middle. And we're going to make another U shape a little bit tilted to the opposite direction. And then we're going to make that other curved line, just like the other side. You can go up and curve. Up and curve. Now we have the body. Let's get the face. So we're going to do another curved line and a C shape for the face, but not totally up, just a little bit. We're going to do the same thing now, the opposite direction. There we go. All right, cool. We're getting further. Let's start drawing the ears by making a diagonal line going sideways. There we go. One. And then we're going to do the same thing to the other side, opposite direction again. In that curved line. There we go. So to make the top part of the ear, we're going to do something a little bit tricky. We're going to go right from the top and go a little bit higher. And then we're going to take a line for a roller coaster ride. So it's going to go up, around, and down. Up, around, and down, meeting the bottom. We're going to do this. Make a curved line, an arch, so that the next time we do it, it's a little bit easier. We're going to do come around, curve, and down. Up, around, and down. We're going to focus on the face in a little bit, but first let's continue drawing the body by going down here on the left-hand side, and we're going to make a curve shape going up, and then we're going to connect it and make another curve shape going down. Ready, and a little bit out, and make it go down. There we go. Got that curved shape right there. So let's get some facial features. We're going to make a big oval shape for the eye. There's one big oval shape. And then our light reflection, so one tiny circle and another tiny circle. We'll make another big oval shape. And make another tiny circle. An even tinier circle. Let's get some eyebrows, because they do exist on dogs. There's one cute eyebrow, and there's another. And we're going to make another archway for the top of its nose. And then we'll make another curved line going downward and connect it. Let's make a W for the top of its mouth. There we go. And then we're going to make a big U for the bottom of its mouth, coming down. And then an archway M for its tongue. And there you have it. Our dog is complete. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me today. Can't wait to see what you create. Let's get ready to color! Don't forget to like and please subscribe. Also, hit that bell for notifications.